Hi friends, welcome to your first Learn at Home Fundations lesson. We are going to start our lesson just like we start all our lessons in the classroom by practicing some of our sounds. So I brought home one of our magnet boards with me and we are going to use this just like we would use the board in the classroom with all of our bigger magnet letters and sounds, okay? So let's start by saying letter, keyword, and sound for every letter or sound that I point to. Here we go. We'll start with our vowels. A, apple, ah. E, ed, eh. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Now we'll practice a few consonants. I am going to point. I want you to say letter, keyword, and sound. F, fun. W, wind. W. S, snake. S, bugs. Z. Y, yellow. Y. T, H, thumb. C, H, chin. Ch. S, H, ship. Sh. A, L, L, ball, all. O, N, K, honk, onk. O, N, G, song, ong. Good job, boys and girls. Now, I don't have our Bossy R poster at home with me, but I did write all of the Bossy R sounds right here. So let's review those together. It's okay if you don't remember the keywords. I will help you do that. Okay, so I'm going to say it first, and then I want you to repeat after me. I'll grab Baby Echo to help, just like we do in school. So AR is car. So our first one is AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, You are burn, All right, great job, boys and girls. I'm going to put this board down for a moment and we are going to practice our trick words. So I will hold them up. I want you to read them along with me. We have you, your, or, for, as, has, we, he, she, be, me, do, does, is, his, why, by, my, try. Boys and girls, tell someone at home what letter makes the I sound in all of those words. Would, could, should. Which one has a digraph? Which one starts with w? What's the same about all three of these words? Where, there, here. Some, come. They, into. From, one, of, to, like the number word, put, very, what, was, have, also, said, are, who, were, when. Thanks for reading those words with me. Let's take a quick look at our brand new word of the day. We looked at this word just one time in school last week, or 2 weeks ago. This word is, tap it out with me, boys and girls, shred. Shred. What word? This word is shred. Do you know what the word shred means? If you shred something, it means you rip it up into small pieces or maybe cut it up into small pieces. So if you shred up a piece of paper because you don't want anyone to see it, you rip it up into tiny pieces and then you might throw it in the trash. Use the word shred in a sentence. My friend shreds his paper into tiny pieces. When I change shred to shreds, I need to add a suffix s to the end of it. This word is shred. This word has a digraph blend at the beginning. SH is a digraph, right? 2 letters that make one sound. We already know that. And right after that digraph, we have a consonant, the consonant R. So we put our digraph sound and our consonant sound together to make a digraph blend. Sh, r. And it blends together nice and quickly. Sure. Shred. The word is shred. This is our word of the day. Shred. Let's build it. So if I want to build the word shred, I need my digraph sh first. What's next, boys and girls? Shred. Shred. If I want to make shred into shreds, what do I need to do? Shreds. He shreds his paper. I add my suffix s. This word is shreds. Let's build another word. How about this word? You can go ahead and tap it out with me as I'm building it. Okay, the word is ch. Blend it. Lunch. This word is lunch. Boys and girls, can you find the digraph blend in the word lunch? It's not at the beginning like it was in shred. Where is the digraph blend in lunch? Well, first you find the digraph. You find your CH digraph. Look right before it and you have a consonant. Ch. That's your blend. The word is lunch. When I'm hungry, I eat my lunch. That word is lunch. Let's try one more. Boys and girls, I want to make the word block. Can you help me make the word block? What letter would I need first? B. Say it out loud. What comes next? L. Aw. What do you hear at the end of block? You hear the k sound. Boys and girls, what do I need to make the k sound at the end of block? If you said a CK digraph, you are absolutely right. I need a CK digraph because I have a short vowel sound. When I have a short vowel and I make the k right after, I need to use CK, not just C, not just K, but CK. This word is block. My friend hands me a block to play with, or I block the ball from going by me. That word is a homonym. It has two meanings. All right, boys and girls, I am going to spell a couple more words and we will mark them up together. Let's try this word. I would like to spell the word swish. The word is swish. What do I need to write first? S, w, I, sh. That's my word, swish. What's one way you could mark up the word swish? I see a blend that I could underline. And remember, when I underlined a blend, I need to make two separate lines because the letters make two separate sounds. Sw. What about my digraph? I underline that with one big line because my digraph makes one sound, even though it's two letters. We know this is a short I, so we can mark it as a short I. This word is swish. Swish. Let's try one more word. How about the word nest? Birds live in a nest. N, e, st. This word is nest. How could I mark it up? I could mark up my short E, and I could underline my blend with two separate lines. Two lines because it makes two sounds. Nest. All right, now I'm going to write you a whole sentence, and I want you to read this whole sentence out loud to yourself or to someone at home. Okay, boys and girls, here's my sentence. Go ahead and read that to someone at home. Okay, now that you've read it to someone at home, let's think of some ways we could mark this sentence up. I see trick words. I see the. I see should. I see a blend in the word class. I see a bonus letter S. Remember, after a short vowel, the S needs two. I see a short E. I see a digraph and another digraph. I see a blend in flag. Did I miss anything? This is a trick word. What about scooping this sentence? How would you scoop this sentence? I can think of a couple of ways to do it. I might say, the class should get a flag. Or I could say, the class should get a flag. I think I like that. The class should get a flag. The class should get a flag. Boys and girls, one more time. What are the two words in this sentence? With blends. Class and flag. All right, boys and girls, attached to this lesson in Google Classroom, there will be a paper with some words on it. I would like for you to read those words to someone at home and then write them down